want you to welcome to the stage with a nice warm round of applause. We have Rainbow Playmaker here. She's going to do a demo for us, and obviously if you guys have questions for her, you're more than welcome to raise your hand and I'll come around with the microphone.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Rainbow Playmaker slime video! Woo! Is this an amazing event or what? I can't hear you! Is this an amazing event? Woo! Okay, so I am going to make a cloud type slime for you guys today. I'm going to be using liquid starch. I'm going to be using Maddie Ray's new thick slime. Not slime. It's not slime yet. Her new thick glue that is available in the shop back there. Never used it before, so I'm super excited to test this out and see what amazing slimes we can make with this. I will be mixing it with some of their clear glues, and let's just get started. It is time for slime! Alright, so I'm going to dump the complete contents, dump or empty, I'll empty it, into my bowl. So this is 64 fluid ounces of, well, I'm going to dump it all in, because why not? So 64 ounces of their extra thick white glue. And then I'm going to dump in about 6 bottles of their clear glue. So who likes cloud slime? I can't hear you. Cloud slime is one of my favorite slimes. Alright. I guess I could have taken these off earlier, but... Okay, so 6 clear glues are going in. Now, I get this question a lot, but the only snow I use for my cloud slimes is Snow Wonder. So if your recipe is not working and you're following my YouTube channel and you're trying out my recipes, that's usually one of the main reasons that it's not working. All my recipes work with Snow Wonder fake snow. All right. What color should we make this slime?
Let's hear it. Who's got some ideas? What are we thinking?
All right, let's see. Purple.
Okay, we got some purple, folks.
Purple.
Purple.
Should I make it completely white and then we divide it into 2 colors and then mix them? You want to do that? Okay. So one color is going to be purple and then the other one's going to be green. So we're going for Slime Bash colors? Okay. Woo! Give me a woo for Slime Bash! Woo! All right, so I got the Maddie Ray green here. And I think there's got to be a violet in here. Their purple, I think, is called violet. All right, there it is. Okay. All right, so I'll just set those right here. I don't like using these, so I'm just going to use my hands. So I'm mixing the clear. Oh, but I don't want to ruin my gorgeous slime bracelet. Okay. So I'm just mixing the clear glue with the ultra thick. It feels super creamy. Will it slime? It will. I don't typically use liquid starch in my recipes, but it can make really amazing slime. So I'm just going to start mixing that in. I'm going to go in with my Snow Wonder after this is activated. If you guys follow me and you know my recipes, I like to add my snow dry, so I don't add water to it first. Getting a little messy up here.
So while you're mixing that, I'm going to open up the floor for some questions. Anybody have any questions for Rainbow Playmaker right now?
How long have you been making slime? Hey, is that Jake? See, I recognize you. I've been making slime. Well, I've been making slime since I was a little kid, but like actively on social media, I want to say about a year. My channel on YouTube, I didn't start as a slime channel. I did more toys and Play-Doh at first, but I would say about a year, a little over a year. So, yep. When did you start your Instagram account? When did I start it? Well, I started it 2 years ago. I posted a couple videos, but then I didn't post for like a year. So actively posting about a year. So
me and my friend Abby were wondering how you like came up with your name.
How I came up with my name, Rainbow Playmaker. So that was I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for years. I started on YouTube and then went to Instagram. I know a lot of slime people do the opposite. But part of what took me so long to get started was I couldn't figure out what name I wanted to go with. And at the time I started my channel, my kids were watching the movie Spy Kids a lot, and there's the Toy Maker in that movie. And so I was like, well, I like the way Toy Maker sounds, and since I started doing toys originally, I was like, I like that. Well, and then we got like a used play set. It was a Rainbow Play System play set for our backyard from a neighbor. And I was kind of wiping it down and cleaning it up a little because it was used, and we set it up in the backyard. And I saw the logo on this metal piece, and it said Rainbow Play Systems. And so then I just put Rainbow Play and Maker. So I took out the toy from Toy Maker, and I just made it Rainbow Playmaker. And that's how I came up with my name.
Oh. Which one do you like better, squishies or slime?
I like both, but I think slime wins 100%.
What's your favorite kind of slime?
My favorite slime right now, if you follow my Instagram at Rainbow Playmaker, you probably know it's my clear gloss slime. I love mixing random things into it. But I don't know, I can't really pick just one. Like I love clouds, I love jellies, and then I love just a good old thick clear.
Do you ever get tired of playing with slime?
You know, sadly, you would think that I would, but I really don't. I do most of my work and videos and stuff when my kids are sleeping. I have 5 kids. And so you would think in the evening, after they're all in bed, the last thing that someone who's like 2 years away from being 40 would want to do is go play with slime or film slime videos, right? But no, I actually look forward to it. I say, live and do what you love.
What inspired you to do that?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
What inspired?
You know, people often ask me like what my inspiration is and like how I come up with ideas. And like, no joke, they just pop into my head. Like, I'll be eating dinner with my kids or cleaning dishes and like stuff pops in my head. And I was, I think one of my kids had Pringles or something. I don't know what it was. And I was like, you know, that would probably sound really, really good if I put it in slime. And so that was one of my first Will It Slime videos was with the chip one. So that's, I mean, and then I just kept doing, I saw that a lot of people liked it and I just kept doing more of it. So.
You'd like to,
I love mixing everything, yes. I am definitely a mixer.
Who's your favorite person to buy slime from?
Okay, so here's the thing. I don't really buy slime from people. And my slime collection is mostly slimes that I've made. While I have done review videos and I have purchased slimes for videos, it's not my thing to like buy people's slimes and like play with them. Maybe because I'm always busy making my own slimes. So I guess I really don't have an answer. I have amazing slimes from so many shops, you know. I just got Slime Obsidian Clouds that are amazing. I have, you know, parakeet slimes. I just have so many slimes from so many different places that are really, really good. But I guess I just don't have one favorite, like where I keep going back to for shopping for slime. Does that answer your question? Oh. Where'd the mic go? Oh, there he is. Oh. Okay, so this is activated now, so I'm going to start adding the snow in. But this is definitely like a super thick base that we're working with here. And if you just joined us, this is the thick, Maddie Rae's new thick glue, and it's mixed with some clear. All right, so I'm just going to be opening these packets, and this is the Snow Wonder that I use, and I'm just going to be putting it into the slime.
Do you do like all Will It Slime videos? Like, are you the Will It Slime person?
I'm the Will It Slime person, yeah. Well, what I'm most known for, I guess, on Instagram. And I have to tell you, when it melts all over my floor and table.
How many slimes do you have?
How many slimes do I have? I'm going to be doing a slime room tour. It's a disgrace right now because it's just so unorganized and it's just like it's a mess. I might show you a before and after, but I would say at this point, thousands. Yeah.
Where do you get most of your slime from?
I'm sorry?
Oh, the recipe?
I make my own recipes. What do you mean? I can't hear you. Like my supply ingredients? Oh, so like the glue and stuff? You know, I hate lugging things and I have 5 kids, so I just prefer things be delivered to my front doorstep. So even if I could buy food, like for instance, one of my kids really likes the organic applesauce that comes in this container and she takes it to lunch almost every day. So I order mass quantities to be delivered to my house so I don't have to carry it because I know she has it every day. Same thing with glues. Like I order, anything I can order online is going to work out better for me. So if I need something in a crunch, I'll run to a store. But for the most part, all my supplies are coming from online.
Do your kids ever interfere while you're making videos?
My kids? Always. But, you know, mostly I try to film when they're sleeping. Sometimes during the day you might hear my little one because most of them are in school, but I might spend an hour where she's like kind of right by me playing with train tracks. In my slime studio, I actually have toys for her. So if I do work for maybe like a half hour to an hour during the day, she can be right there with me. And so you might hear her in the background making some noises. But as far as interfere, like in a bad way, no. So most of making cloud slime, as you can see, is just a lot of mixing and kneading. How am I doing on time?
We still got 15 more minutes, so take your time.
Okay.
What's your favorite scent that you own?
I definitely like cakey type scents or cupcake or sprinkles, the sweeter scents. One of my favorite scents right now is mango papaya. I don't know. I just like Elliot. You like that one too, right? Yeah. Elliot is my son. He's sitting right there. Do you want to come up and help me knead? I mean, you're just sitting there, not doing anything. Why don't you come up here? Okay, you guys. I invited Elliot to the stage. I hope that's okay, but. Yeah.
What's your
Okay, so
favorite?
you'll add the snow.
What's your favorite food that you've added in the slime?
Where are you?
Right over here.
Oh, okay.
What's your favorite food that you've added in the slime?
My favorite what to add in slime?
Food. What do you?
Oh, if you guys don't know me on Instagram at Rainbow Playmaker, my account grew a lot when I started doing a series called Will It Slime. So I actually mix food into slime. A lot of people like it, a lot of people don't like it. But, so I've done chips, I've done chicken nuggets, I've done a lot of stuff. But my favorite thing to mix in actually is like Pringles, or chip-like, because it doesn't melt the slime and it makes it super just kind of crunchy and satisfying to mix, I guess. I don't know. But I don't keep any of my food slimes. I know I get asked that all the time. They go straight in the garbage. So it's just for educational purposes, I guess, you know, experimental, it's fun to watch. A lot of people like it. Like all day people have been coming to my booth. Are you the Will It Slime person? Are you the Will It Slime person? So that's me, yeah. I don't know if I need more.
Any more questions, comments, anyone?
Alright, so I made this same type of slime in Slime Bash 1, and afterwards I gave out samples. I have little containers at my table, so I'm planning to do the same thing here. So if you guys want a sample of this slime when it's done, or if I don't finish in time, I will finish it over at my table, and you guys can get a little 2-ounce sample of this slime. So I'm booth, I think, 7. You just can look back there at the rainbow balloons in the sky. Should we add some glitter?
Yes, glitter!
Oh, I was just going to say, I can't hear you. Okay, what kind of glitter? Green and purple? Okay, so you just... I need bigger muscles. So I have an industrial mixer that does this for me now at home. So my arms have gotten a little weaker because of that.
How strong does the industrial mixer have to be?
How strong? It's like a pizza dough mixer. It's called a Hobart. So it's like from a restaurant supply store. But yeah, it's pretty strong.
You're like training grip strength over there.
All right, so we got some glitters added. It's pretty tough right now, which is normal. That's what happens. So what are some of your favorite slimes? Cloud? Yeah.
Butter slime?
Butter? Everyone still likes butter? Clear? Yeah.
Parakeet cereal milk?
Oh, cereal milk? Let's stick into the bowl. Oh, it is? Oh. I don't know why, but this slime's not sticking to my hands. Everything sticks to this kid. Like, he'll touch a slime that is, like, completely overactivated, and it still sticks to him. Does that happen to any of you guys? Yeah? Your brother? Anyone under the age of 2, 3? Oh, yeah. Me too. Let's have like a tray. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to divide the slime up into two. I mean, it's fine. It's good. You can. Okay. Slave labor up here. I don't normally wear a ring in the video, but I'm like, oops. Someone's gonna get some expensive slime. This is like not the best bowl. Okay, so Elliot is going to help me start adding the color. No, they're already. Oh, there is. Okay, just removing the safety seal. Most of Cloud Slime is just kneading. I could have just shown you guys a basic slime up here, you know. Whose idea was this?
So where can we find you today at Maddie Ray Slime Bash?
Okay, so I'm in the VIP section. I think my table's number 7. I'm sandwiched between Piano Slime Shop and Slime Obsidian. So that's where I am. And I back to Tibbles, Slime Glitters is over there. Joseph and his crew are kind of, no, they're not really near me. They're like diagonal from me. But you can see those rainbow balloons back there. That's my table. And then you can follow me on social media at Rainbow Playmaker. If you make a slime purchase from me today, you can enter a raffle. I'm giving away 10 slimes at the end of the day. I will be posting on my stories the winner. And
the slime that you're making right now, is that going to be something that you're...
This slime is not part of that giveaway, but I'm going to take this back to my table and finish it up because it's probably not going to be done right here. I would like to add a little lotion to it, and I have that at my table. And I'm going to package this up in little 2-ounce containers, so if you guys want to come by, no purchase necessary, and I will give it away while supplies last. So.
All right, well, we want to thank you for coming up here, everyone. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Thank you, and you can follow me at Rainbow Playmaker. I'm on YouTube, Rainbow Playmaker. You could just Google Rainbow Playmaker and I'll pop up. One word. You gotta do the green. Is my time up?
We're gonna keep it up for 5 minutes Maddie raising.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add this green dye. I'm also selling Snow Wonder at my table. They're $5 a piece if anyone needs to get some snow for their cloud slimes.
In just a few minutes, we are going to welcome the founder of Maddie Ray Slime Glue and creator of Slime Bash 2 herself, Maddie Ray. So come on over if you're interested in seeing Maddie Ray and asking a few questions for a Q&A. Also, last call to enter the amateur division of the World Slime Making Championship if you haven't done so already.
Do I clean up? I'm used to doing a lot of cleanup. Or is someone going to clean up for me? I'm not sure what the deal is.
Also, we do still have some unclaimed items in the Lost and Found. If you're missing a phone, there's a phone located inside of the Lost and Found. Go to the special guest registration area where the Lost and Found box is. So if you're missing a phone, we found it in the slime pits. Please go over there and grab your phone.
Thank you guys so much. It was so fun hanging with you. Don't forget to come to my booth if you're interested in having a sample of this slime.